Friday at the shop, getting a little bit of a slow start. Bill's in Cambridge doing some work for the symphony, and I had a half day for the office job. So I'm going to start by sweeping, cleaning up piles, sanding back 2 shelves so they're ready to spray. Bill's working on a podium for the symphony out of furniture grade Keller shells. It's looking pretty good. He's doing some contract work, buffing and polishing these shells with a cool black to green fade. I have 3 more weeks of Fridays, Saturdays at the drum shop before all my time off runs out and resets. And there's been another reduction layoff round at work, so my flexibility is probably going to change. New manager, it's going to be great. Would like to get the shop reorg done. We still have lathes to swap, bit racks to make. Probably not going to make it. Priority is to catch up on all the backlog. Anyway, enough yammering. Let's get to work. Maybe we'll check out the loft. We've never seen that before. Drum mezzanine. Some of these are being stored because they're organizations that don't have their own storage and Bill's helping them out. Some were found or given to Bill and he sells them and or cleans them up and gives them to schools. A couple were trades and some are keepers, like that Swiss with the striped hoops. Let's go up there if we can manage it. Oh yeah. I don't see how this could possibly go wrong. Gotta climb underneath the rafters here. Oh, fun. Now I see on the other side over there. Okay. More crap up here than I expected. If the day comes that Bill ever says he's gonna move, remind me to be busy. Guitar bodies, drums, tanks, drums and drums and drums. Anyone need a project drum, get in touch with Bill. Old marching drums. Not sure what that red one is. Junk. I was right, it's a first act. Hoops, hoops, hoops among hoops. Tama double pedal. Vic Firth drumstick display. That's random. Alright, well, the best stuff was visible in the front, so let's get out of here.
Drilling some black metal hoops. Got to come up with the spike layout after this. No, I'm not kidding.
Oh yeah, we gotta check out those spikes.
Yeah.
There they are. Nickel aluminum. So nickel plated aluminum, I imagine. Studs and spikes for all your spike needs. And there's 40. That seems a bit excessive. There's 40 spikes over there.
I don't think we need that many. Although we might. So, the plan, well, he kind of said I could do whatever I wanted as far as hardware goes. He wants everything on the drum to be black, all the hardware powder coated black, everything except the spikes to stay chrome or nickel or whatever they are. And so we were thinking like 3 spikes per panel, except not the ones facing him while he's carrying the drum, because that wouldn't work so well. Or maybe it would, I guess it depends on your goal.
3 per panel?
Yeah.
10 panels?
Yeah, but I think we'll only be able to do 6 or 7 of them.
I guess that if you're doing 6, then you wouldn't need 18 per hoop. The math checks out.
Well, yeah, I guess that's right.
You think less is more? What do I know? Apparently I need more spikes in my life.
You say less is more, but we're putting spikes on a drum. This subtlety is not what we're going for here. The client on this one plays, like, he's into the fife and drum thing, but he mostly plays in black metal bands drum set. And he's got, like, he has this whole, like, demon persona thing, and
he's got that whole Nordic Warrior death look.
The like corpse paint, makeup. He's got this whole, like, fantasy Viking suit of armor. It's pretty impressive. If we do 3 per panel, which is, you know, what he and I had talked about.
3 per panel versus 2 per panel.
I kind of think 1 per panel would look cool. Like, I think it would kind of look more dramatic. Yeah. Because then you just have, like, that looks more like a weapon to me.
Well, I mean, medieval weapons probably have a pretty dense,
Yeah.
like a morning star or a mace. I mean, we can Google this stuff. I'm definitely going to use your computer to do it, not my phone. This thing is ultra custom.
Yeah, it is.
It's probably gonna sound horrible. So gluing in solid blocks and some reinforcement for the bottom. Let that dry overnight. Then tomorrow drill through the shell, through the blocks, T-nuts inside of these so that everything can be bolted together and torn back down into 3 pieces so everything nests for storage. Will probably make more sense tomorrow. Maybe not.
I think I might just glue that whole thing in there because I'm just trying to make it stiffer, you know?
It's working.
Heyo.
That's a wrap for the night. Nothing completed. A couple things really close. Minutemen snare will be done tomorrow. This podium will be done.
Yeah.
And we'll make other progress. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's build more stuff up.
Which is always, you know,